Generating leads with LeadPages and LinkedIn is one of the most effective ways to build your business, especially if you're targeting professionals and high quality leads. But with so many tools out there, you might be wondering, is LeadPages the right fit for me? Stick around because we'll dive into how you can leverage LeadPages for lead generation, why it might fall short in some areas, and what alternative tools could help you out even more. Let's jump in. First off, LeadPages allows you to create high converting landing pages without needing to know how to code. It integrates well with LinkedIn to help you target professionals more effectively. But here's the catch. While LeadPages does a solid job at helping you design pages, it's not the most advanced when it comes to creating the most tailored or personalized experiences for your audience. Next thing to keep in mind is that with LinkedIn, you have the opportunity to engage directly with your target audience. You can share your landing page link, run targeted ads, or even post organic content to drive traffic to your LeadPages landing page. But there's a learning curve when it comes to LinkedIn's advertising features, and without solid targeting, you could be wasting your budget. Now, let's talk about conversion tracking. LeadPages offers basic integrations, but it's not the most comprehensive when compared to other software out there. You'll have to rely on integrations like Google Analytics or other tracking pixels to get the full picture. It's not a deal breaker, but it does require some extra work. The fourth thing you'll want to consider is optimization. LeadPages lets you A/B test landing pages, but it's pretty basic. If you want more advanced features like heat maps or user behavior analytics, you're going to need a different tool. For instance, tools like Unbounce or InStagepage provide these advanced features, and while they can be pricier, the level of data they give you can be a game changer when fine-tuning your landing pages for higher conversions. But here's the twist. While LeadPages has its merits, it's not the absolute best tool for generating leads through LinkedIn. If you're serious about growing your business with LinkedIn and lead generation, I'd suggest considering some alternatives. Tools like Go High Level or ClickFunnels provide a more robust, all-in-one approach that works seamlessly across platforms, including LinkedIn. They come with more integrated CRM features, higher-level funnel management, and a broader set of tracking and analytics tools that help boost lead conversion. Before I let you go, here's the exciting part. If you're interested in checking out LeadPages or any of the alternatives mentioned in this video, we've got you covered with an exclusive and amped, extended free trial through the link below. Plus, you'll get access to some awesome additional benefits only available to our viewers. This means more value, fewer restrictions, and better results in the long run. So, if you want to start generating leads with LeadPages and LinkedIn, but also want to explore some alternatives that can truly level up your business, hit that link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and happy lead generating!